Welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. So, Jamaica will be going up against USA today in the Under-20 Championships. As you can see, tough one. All right, so people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Let's get into discussion. So, it's our second day in the Under-20 Championship for the Reggae Girlz. Light gone. Ooh. Anyways, so at present moment, it's not a good look. We're not looking good. I wish things were apparently going on a bit better, but unfortunately, that's it. We lost the first match of 4-0 against Canada, and the USA is actually a tougher opponent than Canada. So the expectation on this side now is going to be a greater one. In regards to for the USA team, so they're expecting that because they defeated Canada defeated us, the USA team's expectations that they should have done the same. So they will be coming all guns blazing, and certainly I believe I don't expect anything less. Now you can see in the last game where we fall short in many different areas, tactical awareness, the technical ability, quality. We fall short big time where the quality and those things are concerned. No, I'm always optimistic. I'm hopeful that we can put out a performance, but I don't want to see us get a thrashing and we just lie down and take a thrashing. We lost against Canada, but we didn't just go down like that. At least put in a performance so we can say that at least the girls gave 100. So I'm expecting that. I'm expecting if we can't do something, we at least try to manage a game and manage the scoreline. At least that. So because I know we're going up against a formidable opponent. They are very, very good. I saw them. They're really, really good. And personally, I don't think we're at that level as yet, but I'm hopeful that we can go there and represent ourselves well. I'm not saying that we're going to beat them, but representing ourselves well, where we can at least compete and don't go down in an embarrassing manner. But I do believe that USA is going to win. I think they're going to win. I think that they are ahead of us where development and all these things are concerned. But certainly, I'm hopeful that we can represent ourselves well. Anyways, so people, please do smash the like button. Tell us what you think about this matchup. And put in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.